Welcome this video. Build rustic bed, a comprehensive guest for guest home gardening. Rustic gardening bed have become increasingly popular among house gardening and for good remain. Its offer numerous benefits such as provide soil quality, better and a more original appear. Whether you are growing vegetable, herb and flower, rustic gardening bed can increasingly enhance your gardening. This gas well work you thought out everything you need to know to build and gardening main interest by owning rustic bed. What choose rustic gardening bed? Before divide construction, its impact and understanding about our rustic bed. Better salt central. You can custom your salt mix plants growing if your natural tone and poor of complex rustic bed natural boundaries the rustic of root or the defined growing area make it to manage weak provide bed the lid opened make gardening more comfortable extend growing seasoning salt and rustic gardening warm fasting in swing allow add plants step by step gardening to build a rustic gardening bed. Choose the right location. Select area with great sunlight. Explore more vegetable. Need add later 6 to 4 hours. Sunlight per day. Area with pool during an in shade. Step 2 grade tool and material you need. Weatherboard. Levels of fiber, salt fit, cut and excise the frame. Cut your board to the decision size for a 4 to 6 years bed you need to 8 feet board and 2 feet board.